Hey guys, it's your girl Chini aka Ugodia aka Afomulodogu. Guys, this is my own method of making my own abacha. That is the African salad, guys. First, you can already see the things I used on your screen, your phone screen: the crayfish, the ungo, the eru seed, pepper, ogiri, uziza leaf, the salt, the palm oil, and the Abacha, which some will call it uba. So guys, you can already see the African nutmeg, the crayfish, and then the pepper as I'm pointing them one after the other. So now I'm going to be doing the real job, like the main business of the day. First, I added my ogiri. You can see me doing so. The smell of this ogiri might discourage one not to use it, but this is the main thing as long as you're doing this native abacha. Then I went in with the ungo, that's the black water you're seeing. I didn't use the black substance per se, I just used the water. After the black substance was settled, I used the water. You can already see it. This is a better replacement, a more healthy replacement to potage. That is the akang, which we know that it's not that healthy for human consumption. So I would suggest you go with the ungo to avoid having unpleasant visitors in your tummy. You understand what I mean, guys. So with this ungo, you don't have to complain about your tummy watery and biting tummy and all that discomfort from tummy. No. So I'm still adding it so as to make my oil at least thicken a little. Like I said, it's a better replacement for the akang, and I'm still stirring it to make sure that everything is well combined. Now I went in with my Maggi cube, my salt, and then the eru. That is it on the spoon. I've tossed it around the pan. The flavor is, in fact, to get a better flavor, it's better you toast it around a pan to extract the flavor more. It's okay, like when you toast it around the pan, like hot pan, it will make it dry and then the flavor will be more evident. Yes. So another one was the pepper. You can see I'm still stirring. I've gone in with the pepper and still stirring to make sure that everything is well combined. Now I'm going to bring the chairman of the occasion, which is the abacha. So you can see me, I'm putting it there to make sure that everything is well aligned, guys. I'm checking to know as I'm putting it, I'm still calculating if it's going to be enough for the sauce or will the sauce be more than the abacha. So I'm going to stir anyway. So when you don't stir, you don't know. So I'm going to stir to see what it looks like. I'm stirring. I kept stirring until everything is well aligned, guys. So as I'm even looking at it, it seems like the sauce is a bit more than the abacha. So which means I will still add a little bit of the soaked abacha to make sure that we'll have an equal proportion of everything. Yes. So I will continue to stir. Guys, I beg you, if this is the first time you're coming across my page Inside Life with Chini, kindly follow, kindly like and share, okay? And if you're following already, God bless you richly. I love you all. So now I'm putting my crayfish to keep stirring. I stir and stir and stir. That is it. Our abacha is almost ready at this point, guys. So you can see me, I'm still stirring. Like if you don't want to have a different taste of this side is tasting different and this side is tasting different, you make sure that you stir or use your hand or whatever means you want and stir properly, like totally. So now I've gone in with the uba. Some will call it also upaka. Still the same thing, depends on where you come from. So guys, at this point I'm going in with the what? Okay, nothing. I'm just going to test it to see what it tastes like. Wow, the taste was actually awesome. And this is the cow skin I've cooked and then used pepper to nourish the body. Like the taste was awesome, guys. At this point it's ready, completely